Alright guys, what's going on? Justin from 79 Productions, and today we are going to be starting on some of the interior pieces, and we're going to be starting with the carpet. And as well, some of you, I don't know if you've seen, but if you look at the old videos that I've done, you know there's no carpet in the car, there's no cluster. The interior, the only thing that was missing in the car was the interior, but I picked up this carpet off of Facebook Marketplace for 10 bucks, and I'll show you guys it. Carpet's pretty dirty, but we're gonna be cleaning this right now. We're gonna be using some turtle wax carpet cleaner, and I'm gonna spray it down. We're at the car wash. I'm gonna spray it down with the turtle wax carpet cleaner just to lift some of this dirt up and stuff, and then we're gonna vinyl dye it and see how it looks. Now the guy I got it off of, he cut this, you know, this goes under the center console, so I'm not really worried about it. I'll figure out a way to you know, tie strap it back up or something, but it's gonna be under the center console. So right now we're just gonna start cleaning it, and then we'll vinyl dye it. So let's get to it. What we're going to be using here is the Duplicolor vinyl and fabric paint. So it's going to be this color is medium gray, and we're going to put 3 light coats on, a couple of light coats, maybe not 3, but whatever is good coverage. So we'll get to that right now. Alright guys, now what we're going to do here, the spots that are really stained pretty bad, we're gonna go over those first, just to kind of get them into the same color, and then we'll spray the whole thing down later. Alright guys, here it is, all dyed up with the vinyl dye, vinyl paint, whatever you want to call it, but it just it looks a lot better. I shouldn't have sprayed this, but I should have taped it off, but I hit it with some acetone. I need to wipe it down a little bit more, clean it off a little bit more, that way it'll look a little better. But as far as this back here, the carpet, you know, had those grease spots all throughout it, and now it looks pretty good. It's a lot cleaner. I'm happy with the way it came out, and now we're going to install it into the car. Alright guys, so now that we got the floor cleaned up and the seats taken out, we're just going to throw the carpet in, and we're going to fit it in and lay it down on this side and just kind of fit it around this, and it goes into the shifter, not the shifter but the e-brake, and it's all molded, so it can only go on and fit. It can only fit in one way. So yeah, let's fit this thing in and see how it looks with the seats and everything else on top of it, and then we'll bolt everything down. All right guys, so we're in the car and it's pressed down everywhere it should go. The carpet fits the way it should, and right here we're gonna have to put all the center console back on. But remember, I told you guys in the beginning of the video, the guy cut this, but you know, I can tie strap it together, but I'm gonna leave it like that because the center console, it comes down to about right here, and that's not gonna go anywhere. You know, when this one goes on to, all of that stuff is bolted down, so the carpet won't slide down anyway. So yeah, but that's it. All right guys, so I just installed the seats and the carpet looks so much better. It looks great. You know, I can't complain. You know, it almost looks new. Back here is where, on this side is where the black, well, the back is where the big grease spots were, and you know, they're all out. And then the front just, it looks great. I changed this out to the glove box. I had an extra one of those, so I just swapped that out, make it look a lot better. And yeah guys, that's it for the interior. Well, for the carpet, next we're gonna do the headliner, and I'm gonna install the door panels and just start buttoning up the interior, cleaning all the sanding dust, not sanding dust, but all the dust that's in here from it sitting so long and me working on it, the body. So yeah guys, but that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you would like to help support the channel, you can pick up some merchandise on Big Cartel. The link will be in the description. I have shirts already made, vinyl decals already made, so that would help out the channel a lot. We're gonna try to take it to the dyno soon, but you know, funds are low, so yeah, we're gonna wait on that for a little while. So I'm gonna get the headliner done next, and we'll do more things on the interior and try to get all of that done. And then when we're done with that, hopefully I'll have enough money to take the car to the dyno. But yeah, that's gonna be it guys. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at 79th Productions, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless you guys.